What is up, my friends? Oh, it's raining today. Hope you guys are well. I got a day off, so I am going to build today. I love Frito scoops. As you can see, I have this pallet, and we need a bench with an area below it where we can store shoes, like shoe storage kind of thing. Nothing too crazy, but I came to see what kind of lumber we had. I'm going to use this pallet. I got a good idea of how I'm going to make it. So I'm just going to run it down real quick. I have to take this pallet apart because I'm going to try to just reclaim all this wood. Then I'm going to do two ends. Maybe a back, maybe. It's going against the wall, so we don't really need a back. But we'll see how far I'll go. I'll think about that. I might not do a back. I might slope the seat like just a little, so when you're sitting, you can just slide in kind of thing. I'm not sure though, but this is where I'm at right now. I'll try to get some clips here and there, but you might just see the end. So if that's the case, here it is. Hey, what's up, you guys? Dave Perez here. I am back. This is day 2 of that shoe bench thing that I was saying I was going to make out of that pallet. So I got it done. I knocked it out. I stained it, let it dry. So I have it right now ready to show you guys, but I got rid of that pallet. Well, most of it. Here's some of the other stuff. I'm going to just burn that because it has nails on it. I might save a couple pieces, but we'll see. But yeah, I have a disaster in here. But it came out really good. And I'm not a professional or anything. I just wung it with wood that I had. I have minimal tools. So, I mean, some stuff could have been done better due to tool edge kind of thing. I tried my best and it came out pretty cool. So here it is. Check it out. Bam! I stained this. It's called ebony. This is the same stain I used on our kitchen table. I don't know if you guys seen that video, but it's a nice dark stain. It helps hide some of the flaws. But this bad boy right here, it's now a bench, shoe, little like storage rack thing. So we'll be able to put our shoes there. And then, you know, sit up here. But I think a cushion seat is going to be made for the top at some point. So, but yeah, so a lot of this, let me see, the legs, the joist braces underneath are made out of that pallet. The slats at the bottom and the seat area are made with just wood I had that I was going to use for something else, but you know, this came up first. I used bolts to hold the bottom secure, screws for the tops, and then I stained it, knocked it out. So did all that. I started yesterday. Took me a few hours. I forgot what time I started. I'm gonna say it took me probably a good 5 hours. You know, some of the design work I just did on the spot, so measurements had to be made, some sample cuts, you know. So, but yeah, knocked it out, stained it. Now it's going up to the room, and we can have a seat, store our shoes, and that's it. I like it. I'm pretty excited about it. It came out good. Tell me what you guys think. Please like, subscribe, share if you want. You don't have to. And just keep an eye out for all my other projects, reviews, etc. Thanks for watching.